Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook search not working on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. So basically before we start I just want to say subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. And now we can start. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just open the start menu and type indexing options. Open indexing options, control panel, click on it, and now what you want to do is click on modify. So you should have a Microsoft Office Outlook setting here. I do not have it, but yeah, if you use Outlook, if you're having this problem, then you should have it, and have it unchecked, or if it is checked, then uncheck it. If it is checked, uncheck it, so like this, and if it is unchecked, then check it. And click on OK. Now what you want to do is restart your PC, and once you're done, just open the indexing options again. And now what you want to do is go to modify again and do the reverse option. So if you unchecked it, then check it this time, and if you checked it, then uncheck it. So basically you want to do the reverse option, and once you're done, click on OK. The next step is click on advanced, and what you want to do is under troubleshooting, click on rebuild. It should say that rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. So you want to click on OK and just let it finish. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.